Hi everyone. Good morning. So coming to the today's class, I'm been going to be start about the other concepts. First class, I discussed about introduction to development, and the second class I discussed about like yesterday only I discussed about if else statement. Just only I discussed about some basic programmings. So coming to the today's class, let me try to discuss some more things. Yeah. I'm sharing my screen. Hi Raju. I think Raju is new to the session. Hi Raju. Good morning. Hi Raju. Good morning.
Good morning,
Okay, hi
Venkat.
everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I think yesterday you attended the session, or today is the first class.
Yes, Venkat. Yeah.
Okay, so coming to the previous two classes, the first I discussed about introduction to development. The second I discussed about the basic programmings. Today I'm starting with if else statements, Raju. Yesterday I started with if else statements. Let me try to continue the basic programmings. Like the videos have been uploaded in the YouTube. So kindly please refer it. Yeah, if you have any queries, feel free to reach out. Okay.
Yeah, I saw that videos, Venkat. Whatever you uploaded, I saw that one.
Okay, fine then. Then it's good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So coming to the today's class, I've been going to be teach about the if statements. So what I had been discussed in yesterday class, anyone can give the quick recap? Anyone can give the quick recap on yesterday's class discussion?
As object data types.
Okay.
Yeah, we practice
Of
about operations and different kind of operations
operators,
inside of the.
Okay. Yes.
if else
Yes.
statement.
Operators. Okay. If else statements.
If
Yes.
else statement.
Yes, as object data types, and also I discussed about arithmetic operators, this particular operators concepts, and also after that I started with if else statements, just applied if and else conditions logic. Let me try to explore some of the other programs and conditional statements. Okay, and yesterday the people are facing issues related to the videos. I hope James had been resolved the issue. If the issue is not resolved, our team will come at 9 o'clock. They will verify. Okay.
I was able to see both videos of yesterday and the day past yesterday, and I was able to see the other ones in the. Yeah, I don't have any problem on the video, so I don't know if it's the permissions or what.
Okay, James. Thank you. Thank you. No worries. Like if anyone have any issues, no, like our team will see it today. They'll rectify it on the issues. Okay, so let me try to see the use case. Look on the if else statements. Write an Apex program to perform the mathematical operations. This is thing which I have completed. And second program, write an Apex program to find out the student result. So they are saying that we have 5 subjects: English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Hindi. For example, if the students got more than 40 marks, okay, in each subject, then it should be pass. At least if they got less than 40 on any of the subject, then they should be failed. If they got more than 40 on each every subject, then they should be pass. The student got less than 40 on any of the subject, either on any of the subject, they should be failed. Everyone able to understand the second use case?
Yes, Venkat.
Second use case. Shyam, today I'm discussing about the conditional statements. Conditional statements and also like looping statements are going to be discussed. So just I'm creating one Apex program. Okay, just I'm creating the information whatever it may be related to it. So I'm declaring the 5 variables. Okay, I'm declaring the 5 variables. Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, just I'm creating 5 variables: max in the English, social, and let us take
This chemistry.
chemistry. Fine. Yeah. Okay, let me try to condition if condition and also syntax if condition and also update. I need to apply the logic. If the condition is failed, then else condition need to be executed. Each and every thing. That's why I'm using and. Each and every subject I need to get greater than 40. I'm not going into deep dive. Just I'm discussing some basic programming because these are all the things you required. Okay, if they got greater than 40 on each and every subject, then should be pass. At least if they got less than 40 on any of the subject, they should be fail. Control S, I'm saving the data. Okay, just I'm been saving all the data. Okay, let me try to click on debug, open execute anonymous window. How I need to execute Rajesh?
June program Apex 4 dot method 1 and these variables. Yeah.
Yes, I need to pass the parameters. Exactly. Okay, just I'm passing the parameters. 34. Okay, 56. 67. 89. Rather, what is the result? Pass or fail?
Fail.
Rather, what is the result? Pass or fail? By any reason?
Uh, First
Yeah,
integer
because
less
that
than.
yeah, yeah, first integer less than 40. That's why it should be fail. Okay, let me try to click on execute.
Yeah, Venkat, can I keep one value as a 40 exact?
Yeah, 40 also fail because it's a greater than 40 only. It should be pass. Okay, greater than 40 only, then it should be pass. I did not mention greater than or equal to. It should be fail. Everyone able to see? I need to get greater than 40, not 40.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the thing. Just it's like a basic programming. Anyone have any queries on this? It's like a root whenever you're building before building the triggers, asynchronous programming, all these things. If one else
So
statements. Anyone
one
have
more
any
use
queries?
case. One more use case with more than 40 with all subjects.
Hmm?
One more, you know, yeah, more than 40.
Yeah, it should be passed. That's it. Positive case. Yeah, that's it. Because each and every subject is greater than 40. That's it.
So Venkat, here we have used the and, right, and condition. That's why it's taking if one also is less than 40, it's showing the fail, right?
Yes, that's what I told you at initial also. Whenever if it's and means all the conditions I need to satisfy. If it's or means at least one condition satisfied means it should be fine.
Okay, if we're keeping if any in between or, so what will be the output? Means it will give all the subjects results.
Now if I given or okay like max should be greater than 40, Hindi should be greater than 40. Either Hindi or English, anything is greater than 40 is absolutely fine. But social
Okay,
and chemistry should be greater than 40 like this. It will be executed. Any of the things should be greater than 40 means it should be fine.
okay.
Okay, like kindly please do this as an assignment. I'll discuss other things also. Okay, like to find out the amount of the customer based on the quantity and unit price. Okay, I need to take two parameters, integer quantity and integer unit price. Okay, I need to offer the discount. For example, if the customer amount, whatever it may be, he purchased amount is greater than 10,000, I need to offer 20% discount. Okay, for example, if he did not purchase greater than 10,000, okay, I'm not providing any discount. How we will implement this? First, I'll be calculating based on quantity into price. For example, if amount is greater than 10,000, okay, then I need to offer 20% discount. 20 into 100, 20 by 100, sorry. Okay, just imagine if amount is greater than 10,000, I'm providing discount. Else, this is an assignment. Okay, just I'm providing a blueprint. That's it. Okay, you need to implement it. You need to implement it. If any modification means you need to do it. Everyone. Okay, and you
Amount
need to
equal
print the
to
amount.
amount minus.
It's a blueprint, Rajesh. I'm saying that you need to do it assignment. Okay, just I'm performing subtraction 20 percentage.
Amount equals to amount minus amount into 20 by 100, sir.
Yeah, yeah, that's it, that's it. Yeah, I'm showing the blueprint. That's it. I'm saying. Okay, please do it, everyone. Okay, and another thing. Else if, for example, if you have multiple conditions, how we can execute multiple conditions? Yes, it is possible by using else if. They're saying that write an Apex program. For example, if you entered in between 1 to 4, it should be winter season. For example, if you entered in between 5 to 8, it should be summer season. For example, if you entered the data in between 9 to 12, it should be spring season. For example, if you entered in between less than 12 or greater than 12, it should be invalid month number. How I'll execute? Anyone have any idea on this?
Yes, sir.
If else.
Yes, let's see this execution. Everyone understood my scenario?
Yes.
Everyone
Yes.
understood? Okay, let's implement it. Okay, just I'm passing month number. Okay, for example, if month number, okay, greater than or equal to 1, okay, like month number is 5 to in between 5 to 8. Okay, then it should be okay. Otherwise, in other scenarios, okay, that's it. Let me try to click on Control S. Winter season, spring season. Spring season also did not enter. Yes, Control S. I'm saving the data. Yes, now let me try to execute it. Okay, in between 1 to 4, winter season, in between 5 to 8, summer season. Okay, for example, if the data in between 9 to 12, it should be spring season. Otherwise, in other scenario, it should be invalid month. Let me try to go to debug, open, execute anonymous window. Now let's see. There are multiple people are there. Let me try to ask the questions. Teju, 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 are you there? Okay. I think she is not listening. Teju, are you there? Okay, fine. Uh, Raju, Raju.
Summer season,
So, like, what is the output?
summer.
Summer season. Why? Any reason?
So here I mentioned the condition. Month number is
Yes.
greater than equal to 5 and less than or is equal to 8. In
Yes,
between 5
exactly.
and 8.
Yeah, this condition satisfied. That's why summer season. Exactly.
Yes.
Let me try to click on execute. You can able to see the open logs, debug only. Yes, everyone able to see the summer season? Yeah. This is one of the example. Anyone have any queries on this example?
So Venkat, in which cases we mention semicolon, in which cases we do not mention semicolon at the last?
Every cases we need to mention. If it's if condition means we need not mention semicolon. If it's a debug statement, inside the logic in each and every statement will mention the semicolon. Inside the logic will mention the semicolon. Okay, only under the syntax if okay this particular things we did not mention any semicolon. Inside the logic on each and every statement will mention the semicolon.
So in yesterday's case, we had defined, yeah, we have defined the S objects, custom objects. When
Hmm.
defining the objects, we did not mention we mentioned the semicolon. It is not
Hmm.
logic, no, Venkat. Then
Can you please ask your question correctly? Because I'm
uh,
saying it yesterday also. I mentioned inside the logic, whatever it may be I mentioned. I had been mentioned what are the hiring manager object and what are the account object. That particular things I mentioned semicolon exactly, Rajesh. Yeah. Once please check the yesterday notepad files. Whatever I shared.
no, no,
Syntactically we need
I,
to mention. Yeah.
I mean, I've checked it, Venkat. My question is this: let's take defining an hiring manager example. In that case, yeah, you opened it. Scroll down.
Okay. Yeah. I given semicolon.
Sorry, I don't think so. My screen is not.
I shared my screen. Once please check it. Yeah.
Still, it is in data types only. Okay, give me a second.
Everyone able to see my notepad file?
Yes, Venkat. Yeah.
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So Venkat, now I'm able to see the hiring manager. This first one is hiring manager space HR1. This is not logic, no, Venkat. So but we are giving the semicolon.
What logic? This is the logic only. Okay, like
The first
whatever the
line.
thing, 1 minute, whatever the things which we are writing inside the method, all the things are belongs to logic only. Okay, what are the things which we are writing inside the method? It is all the things logic. Okay, syntactically, if you given like this, it will show error. Okay, if the computer, I'm saying again, if the computer need to understand, okay, for example, if I'm speaking in English or whatever it may be, how you can able to understand? For example, if I speak in Tamil, okay, like it's not in English, the things you are not able to understand, someone knows familiarity, someone don't know familiarity. Here also same thing, if computer not need to understand syntactically, we need to write the code like this, then only they can able to understand according to the syntactically. So if there is no semicolon inside the if condition, whatever we written, we need to write the logic. Okay, there we need to apply the semicolon. Syntactical, I'm saying that, don't confuse here. I'm saying again, you got my point,
Okay.
Rajesh? Yeah.
Yeah, Venkat.
Syntactically,
Yeah.
the computer need to understand. Okay, for example, if I'm speaking something, okay, everyone need to understand. Okay, everyone need to understand means I need to speak exactly the words, whatever it may be exactly. In the similarly, computer as well as Apex programming need to understand syntactically means we need to give the proper order as according to the syntax structures. Okay, if they given that particular syntax structures only, they can able to understand, Rajesh. Otherwise they cannot able to understand. That's why I'm syntactically I'm giving if there is no semicolon inside the if whatever you written, you the logic, okay, you can apply if the condition, okay, there is no semicolon. That's it, Rajesh. Okay, are you clear?
Yeah, Venkat.
Okay, fine. Just once, please practice, Rajesh. Not only Rajesh, everyone. Hari Prasad, Radha, Raju, Shravani, Amit, Tanya, James, everyone. After completion of the class, please practice. Then you will resolve your queries. If you have any queries, you can message me. I'm been available in the WhatsApp as like previous. Okay, and another thing is a nested if. Nested if in terms if inside another if. Okay, let's see some Apex programming. If inside another if. Okay, if I satisfy this condition, again I need to satisfy another condition. Then only I'll proceed further. That's otherwise it's not possible to proceed further. Okay, if inside another if. Okay, you can able to see. Just here they are saying that we need to. We have 5 subjects. Okay, like for example, if the student got more than 40 marks, okay, and we need to print the student result and we need to calculate the average marks after completion of this. Okay, we need to calculate the student grade also. Okay, inside the if I'm mentioning another statements. For example, if the student got greater than 60 percentage, it's a grade A. For example, if the student got in between 50 to 60, grade B. For example, if the student got 40 to 50, grade C. Okay, just imagine if the student got less than 40 in any of the subject, it should be failed. And then I need to print the student result. Everyone able to see the scenario?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll implement the scenario. Okay. Okay, public static. Okay, method 3. Okay, just I'm passing some variables. Okay, just I'm passing the variables. First of all, I'm performing all the Okay, just I'm performing the total. Okay, just what is my first condition? What is my first condition? Anyone? For
English.
example, yeah, I need to get greater than 40 on each and every subject. Okay, for example, I got greater than 40 in each and every subject. Then I need to print the total marks. And after that, I need to calculate the average. See, you can see each and every line, whatever I'm writing inside the if condition, I'm writing the logic. I mean that I'm applying some semicolon. Okay, for example, if average, whatever the average I got, if it is greater than or equal to 60, then system.debug of grade A. 1 minute team. Okay, for example, just I need to apply. So based on the if condition only I need to apply. Okay, so greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60. Then I'm applying the grade B. Okay, like what is the other cases?
60 to 80.
Okay, then grade C. Just I'm going basic level. Okay, this is not an advanced level, it's a basic level. Okay, grade C. Like for example, if I got less than 40 in any of the subject, then it should be else. See, if inside if I got less than 40, then I need to print the total marks and I should be failed. You got failed. Okay, and I need to print the total marks. Yeah, let me try to execute this scenario. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Let's see what will be happen. 66, 56, 78, 89. Let me try to click on execute.
It should be
It
method
is showing
3.
method.
Proficient
Yeah, yes, exactly.
issue.
Yes, everyone able to say I got total marks as a 346. Okay, they calculated some average. It is greater than 60. That's why it should be grade A. It should be grade A. This is the thing. And let us see the negative scenario also. If I got less than 40 on any of the subject, then it should be failed and I'll get the result. Yes. Total marks read. If it's not, they're not going to if inside the if. Okay, just they're verifying the first if they're failing, then immediately it is coming to the else statement. Else statement. That is the thing. Anyone have any queries?
So, Venkat, what to do if you want to read all the operations, what are the conditions?
Yes, that's why I applied some condition now. All the conditions I'm verifying. English, Maths, Chemistry. If I applied or means then only at least one of the condition it will verify.
Okay. So suppose if that mass is below the means B grade or C grade, so it will automatically it will go to next step, right?
Yeah, for example, first of all, it will verify all the subjects that I got greater than 40. Okay, like
Okay.
if it's a the whatever the average I got, if it is in between 50 to 60, less than 60, then it should be grade B. For example, if this condition not satisfied, then it is go to grade C and it will print the grade C.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, this is one type of if else statement. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries on the if else? Else if ladder. Nested if, sorry, nested if. Anyone have any queries? It's similar, whatever it may be, if condition, just I'm applying some logics. Anyone have any queries or can I proceed further?
So what is the difference, Venkat, between the if else and the nested if?
Coming to the nested if, inside the if condition, there is another if you can able to see. Okay, nested if, there is no like this. That is the thing. Nested if. This is the nested if. And if else. It's
Okay.
not like this. First it will verify the condition. Like this it will go one by one flow.
Okay. Okay.
And another thing is a switch statement. Switch statement is also used to compare the expressions or values. But really, we will not use any switch statements in the real time. Mostly, we will go with this particular thing only. If else or if else if. That's it. Just I will explain it. The same scenario by using the switch statement. And the conditions are not been allowed under the switch statement. It is a drawback. Only expressions are allowed in the switch statement. Okay, just let us see one program on the switch statement also. For example, if the first of all it will verify the expression. If this satisfied, then it is go to this. If it is satisfied this, it will go to this. Otherwise, if it does not satisfied with anything, it will execute the else. Okay, let us see this. For example, if it's 1, it should be prints Monday. If it's a 2, it should be prints Tuesday. Let's see this execution on switch statement. Just I'm passing the integer day number. Okay, if it's a 1, it will print Monday. You can ask me, sir, this is a basic program. Yes, of course, this is a basic programs. I did not started exactly. If we had been clear, I mean that in Apex, because we had been came into Apex programming recently. Just I'm going step by step basis because these are the fundamentals for the triggers. Then we can connect objects with Apex classes. Yeah, in further. Okay, Friday. Okay, for example, if it's a 6, Thursday. Sorry, Saturday. Other than this, okay, if it did not enter more than 7 or less than 0, less than 1. This is the thing. Okay, just it is verifying this particular expression. Then based on the expression, it is printing that appropriate value. Okay, this is the syntax. When value 1, value 2, value 2. This is the thing. But we'll not use any if switch statement over this. Only for the reference purpose, I'm saying. Okay, then it will print Sunday because 7 matches with Sunday. Okay, it will print invalid day number. It is also print invalid day number. Okay, it will print Thursday. Okay, let us see the output. You can able to see it. Yeah, let's go to debug only. Everyone able to see the output?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Anyone have any queries on this program? Anyone have any query on this program?
Yes.
Anyone have any queries?
No, Venkat.
Okay, I'm saying again to everyone, coming to syntaxes, all these particular things. Okay, once please practice after completion of the class, whatever it may be, then you'll not face any difficulties. Rajesh, Raju, Amit, Hari Prasad, Radha, any queries? Talia, everyone able to understand.
Yes.
We will not use any switch statement, only for your understanding. I given the switch statement example. That's it, I'm saying again.
What do you mean that we don't use it? So
In the real-time usage, we'll not use that much. We'll not use any switch statement. We'll use with if else if only. If you got that particular scenario also. Rarely we'll use this particular switch
that means
because the
that
same scenario.
we cannot
Because
like
this
customize any kind of application in Salesforce. Like it's not gonna be like we can customize the bottom, the size, the colors. We're gonna just work like functionality, basic functionality.
like coming to the Salesforce application, like without using switch statement, also we can implement by using else if statements, James. Yeah, without using that particular thing, it's not matters. Yeah. And another thing I want to convey, the same functionality you can implement in multiple ways, James. Okay, like either we can use switch statement, either we can use if else statements. Like this, we can implement in multiple ways, the functionality wise. Okay. Teju, are you listening the class? Teju.
Yes, Venkat. In between, I missed Venkat.
Okay, fine. Okay, and another thing is iterative statements. Okay, iterative statements in terms, I'll ask you one question. Anyone, please tell me. For example, if you go to some shopping mall, okay, like you purchased some item, okay, like you purchased 10 items, okay, Hari Prasad, like you purchased 10 items in the shopping mall, Okay, like every item will go to billing, or at a time bunch of items will go to billing.
Of items.
So whenever if you take the bunch of items, they will iterate how many items you had been taken, either 10 or 15, whatever it may be. One by one they will scan. Okay, like first they will scan first item. Again, they will go to second item. Again, they will go to third item. Again, they will go to fourth item. Like that, they use it to scan one by one. Okay, and they use it to print the data. Okay. In the similarly iterative statements also, instead of writing the huge line of code, by using this iterative statement we can reduce the coding architecture, whatever it may be. Okay, there are different types of iterative statements. Okay, for loop and for each loop only we will use it. I'm saying again, in the real time, everywhere, in the upcoming classes, in the triggers, everywhere we'll use for loop and for each loop. Will not use while and do while. Okay, I'm saying again, will not use while and do while. I'm saying again. Okay, but let me try to explain the conditions. So firstly, let me try to go to the for loop. Okay, then only, because for loop is very important. Syntax of for loop. This is the initialization part, and this is the condition part. Okay, increment or decrement. Okay, let me try to take one example. Through Paint, I'll explain. Okay, for example, I want to print hello world 10 times. Okay, I want to print the hello world 10 times. Okay, how I can print hello world 10 times? Okay, initially, just I'll start with I is equal to 1. Okay, condition I less than or equal to 10. I plus plus, I'm incrementing. Okay, like I'll tell you the execution how it will be. Okay, initially I is equal to 1. I initialized I is equal to 1. Okay, then immediately it will execute. The information will be executed. Okay, I is less than or equal to 10. Yes, condition satisfied. Okay, the information will be executed. Okay, first time hello world will be printed. Again, okay, it will be incremented. Okay, so execution has been completed. What is 1 plus plus? Rajesh. Rajesh. What is 1
Increment
plus plus? 2.
increment by 1.
Okay, so immediately I is equal to 2. Okay, 2 is less than or equal to 10. Is the condition satisfied or not? Yes, again hello world will be printed second time. Again. Okay, the after executing this condition logic, immediately increment will be performed. Yes, 2 plus plus it should be 3. 2 plus plus it should be 3. Okay, then again, okay, equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition has been satisfied. Then third time hello world will be printed. Until 10 times hello world will be printed after that. Okay, so it will become 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10? No. The condition is not satisfied. Then it comes to outside. Okay, then it comes to outside. Okay, then 10 times hello world statement will be printed. 10 times. Hello world statement will be printed. Everyone able to understand what I want to convey? Maybe it's somewhat tricky because this is the first time. Everyone able to understand what I want to convey?
Yes.
Okay, let us see. It is somewhat tricky. Let me try to explain with different use cases. So many use cases are there, not one or two. You'll get a complete idea on this. Okay, just I'm initializing integer I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. System dot debug of hello world. Okay. Okay, you can able to see the execution. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Click on execute. Let's see. 10 times hello world will be executed. Everyone able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everyone able to see?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, everyone able to understand what I want to define? Everyone able to understand what I want to define?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shravani, Rajesh,
Yes.
Hari Prasad. Yeah, let me try to explain some more examples. Just this is a basic example. I want to explain some more examples. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, like another example, I want to print the even number. I want to print the even number in between 1 to 100. Okay, in between 1 to 100, I want to print the even number. Yeah. Everyone understood my use case? In between the 1 to 100. If it's even number, I need to print. Let's see this. Okay, integer I is equal to 1. Okay, so we have math.mod. Okay, we need to mention I mod 2 is equal to 0. But for example, if it's divided by 0, then I need to print this even number system.debug of I. Okay, but mod will not be supported. Okay, it will show the error. Expression not been allowed. Okay, so firstly it will come with 1. Okay, 1 divided by 2. Is it 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0? No. Then 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Exactly. Then it will print. For example, whatever the thing it is divided by 0, then it will print that particular information. If it's 3 divided by 2, no. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Exactly. Then it will print. Like this, it will print the even numbers.
Do
Even
you
numbers.
use absolute equal or just the two equals?
Yeah, sorry team, my network bad. That's why in between these 2 minutes I cannot able to speak. Okay, I hope now able to clear. I changed my network due to some heavy rain. The issue happened in between these 2 minutes. James, you're asking something. Please continue.
I was asking that you use equal as a total equality, but do you use in Apex triple equal.
Yes, I'm comparing. Okay, here I'm using double is equal to, I'm comparing the data. Okay, first of all, I'm verifying with 1. Okay, it is divided by 2. No, it's not divided by 2. Okay, it is
Yes,
comparing
yes.
with
And the
0.
question was more like absolute equal, like when you use three equals in JavaScript or something.
Yeah, if it's a double is equal to mean, then it compares the value in between the two side, left side and right side.
Understood.
Double is
Thank you.
equal to. Yeah. Yeah, you can able to see the executed output. Is my voice is clear to everyone?
See the
Okay,
screen.
let me try to share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. 1 minute. Open execute anonymous window. Yes, everyone able to see the output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Everyone able to see the output still 100. Everyone able to see the output. Is my voice is clear to everyone? Not getting
Yes, yes,
response.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing I want to convey. And let us see. Just I did not teach about enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop it's very important. I'll teach, yeah, because it needs some list collection, each and everything. And let's see one example on while statement. Okay, let's don't go in deep dive. Okay, let's see one example in while condition. That's it. Okay, but in real time we'll use for loop and for each loop only. I'm saying again, if the condition is satisfied, then logic will be executed. Okay, logic will be executed. I need to print welcome message. Yeah, let's see this. I need to print welcome message 10 times. So it is somewhat tricky and somewhat different as compared to for loop. Just I'm writing some logic. Okay, integer. I need to initialize here only. Only condition I need to write there. Iterating the condition. Okay, system.debug of welcome. Okay, not like for loop. Okay, here I need to increment. Okay, condition. Increment or decrement. Here I need to write I plus plus. Okay, like counter plus plus. Sorry, not I plus plus. I mentioned counter. But concentrate more on the for loop. I'm saying again for loop. Okay, initially counter is equal to 1. Initially counter is equal to 1. Okay, 1 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is satisfied. Okay, I'll print the welcome message. Again, it will be 2. Again, it will be iterated second time. 2 less than or equal to 10. Again, hello world will be printed. Again, it will be incremented to 3. Again, 3 less than or equal to 10. Okay. Again, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then at last, will come outside.
Venkat, after
Rajesh,
well,
they said
your voice is breaking,
too
Venkat.
much sound. No, too much sound. So I understand. Some if the voice is
Uh,
breaking,
Same thing for others also. Your voice is breaking. We are unable to understand.
Yes.
At least for me.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
you're not able to understand my voice.
No,
Not able
not
to
yet.
understand my voice. 1 minute. I change. Okay, now I connected. I hope now it's clear. Now it's clear. Is it clear? My voice is clear.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Yeah, let's see the
Yeah.
execution. Okay, so first of all, I initialize it with the integer variable. Okay, like I'm applying some
I could not
conditions.
see the screen.
I did not shade. I'm sharing my screen. I did not shade. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, now I shared it. Fine. Okay, like initially, okay, according to the condition, this is the while, and I need to apply the condition. Okay, initially I'm initializing with variables, whatever it may be. So first of all, I'm verifying with the condition. If the condition is satisfied, means I'm printing the data. Again, the counter is incrementing to 1. Okay, it will be incremented to 2. Again, it is iterating 2 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is satisfied. Then I'm printing the welcome message. Again, I'm iterating it. The counter is incrementing to 3. Until at last 10, it is incrementing and I'm printing the data. That's it.
Venkat, can you please concatenate counter to welcome?
Counter to welcome. Okay, you're saying about this thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see it. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Yes, everyone able to see? Welcome 1, welcome 2, welcome 3. Everyone able to see?
Not yet, Venkat. Now, yes.
Yeah, I had been showed log execute anonymous window. Everyone able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the thing. While and do while it's not important. I'm saying again, just execute once it's absolutely fine. And comment to do while. Do while will not use no more. I'm saying again. It's a confusion, but I'll explain it. Yeah. Okay, here after executing the logic. Okay, after executing the logic, then only it will verify the condition. Okay, then further it will execute it. Just it like iterate like this. But I'll explain one example. It's absolutely fine. Will not use anything. Okay, I'm saying again. I'm saying again. Will not use anything. 10 times hello world only. I'm not going with advanced level here. Okay, just system.debug of it will print the hello world. Okay, just I'm mentioning while. I'm going with one example. I'm not going with deep dive into the do while. It's absolutely fine. Okay, just I'm initializing the. Okay, and I am incrementing one by one here. How the execution, first of all, initially 1. Okay, it should be incremented. Then it should be 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 10? Yes, it's absolutely correct. Okay. So again the second time. First time integer I equal counter is equal to 1 hello world. Okay, it will print one time hello world. Okay, again counter is been incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. Then second time hello world. 3 less than or equal to 10. Third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time. Until here you can able to see 11 times it will be printed the hello world. You can able to see it. Okay, I'll execute this. Then you can able to understand. Copy it. Let me try to execute it. 1 minute team I'm executing. I'm going more in terms of for loop and for each because they are essential. Okay, you can able to see the output. Yes. Yeah, 10 times only it is printing hello world 1. Okay. So initially it will execute hello world 1. Okay, again it will verify it. Okay, 2 less than or equal to 10 exactly. Okay, again hello world 2. Okay, again at last it should be 10. 10 less than or equal to 10 exactly. Then also it will print hello world. Like this it will print until 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I mentioned the condition is equal to 10. Counter is less than or equal to 10. This is the thing. Everyone able to understand the execution how I done? I'll explain
So
it one more time. 1 minute. Okay, so initially, okay, the condition is this will be executed. Hello world 1. Okay, then it will verify this condition. Is 1 less than or equal to 10 or not? Okay, without verifying the condition, debug statement will be printed. Yes, of course. Okay, here it will be incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Again it will iterate. Again it will print second time hello world. Okay. 2 plus plus it will become 3. Again it will verify 3 less than or equal to 10. Before verifying the condition, it will print the debug statement. That's it. Before verifying the condition, okay, first debug statement will be printed. Okay, then only it will proceed further. And coming to other scenarios, okay, it is easy to verify the condition. Then only it will print the debug statements. That's it. Nothing other than this difference.
so the difference is in do while at least one time it will be executed, but in while
Yeah,
if the condition is satisfied, then only it will be
satisfied. Then only it will be executed. Exactly. Rajesh, from your side, so much noise is coming. I'm not sure why. Once, please check it. Yeah. Yes, that's it, Rajesh. That's it. At least one time, logic will be executed. That's it. Nothing other than that.
Venkat, whatever you are sharing in the notepad, those are the interview questions.
No, no, no. In interview, they will not ask these questions. In interview, they will not ask these questions. This type of questions, Rajesh. Okay, I'll tell you which questions they will ask in interviews. Okay, just a content wise I'm sharing. In interviews they will not ask about if else these particular things in Salesforce when they are going to Salesforce interviews. I'll tell you which questions they will ask because some things other things you need to cover, then I'll give you an idea. Rajesh.
Okay, Venkat. Actually, there is a fan in my room, so that is the sound you are getting.
Okay, fine, Rajesh. Okay. Okay, team, this is about today's class. Let's see some more examples. Okay, like can I continue for else or can I continue in Monday?
Monday.
Can we can we conduct tomorrow class? Is it okay? Can we conduct tomorrow class?
Yeah,
Is it
sure.
okay?
Okay. It's fine.
Okay. Amit, Raju, Sravani, Tanya, Hari Prasad. Tomorrow class.
Yeah, can you
Yeah.
continue?
Yeah. Then let's continue tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow also. Okay. One session.
Okay.
Same time?
Yeah. Same timings. Same timings. Same timings. Tomorrow
Until
also same
tomorrow. Bye.
timings. Tomorrow also same timing, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST timings. Okay, IST.
Okay, Venkat. Thank you.
Okay, team. Thank you. I'm stopping the recording. Bye, everyone.